In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus Notion versus Trello, definitive guide. By the end, you'll have a clear sense of what each tool does best, how they feel in day-to-day use, and which one fits your workflow, your team size, and your goals. I'll keep things practical, give you helpful context, and make sure the differences are easy to understand so you can choose with confidence. Let's start with ClickUp. It's often described as the software to replace all software, and that tagline points to its ambition. Combining tasks, docs, goals, chat, whiteboards, automation, and reporting in a single, enterprise-grade platform. One of the biggest problems ClickUp aims to solve is work sprawl, that feeling when information and tasks are scattered across tools and channels, and a shocking amount of effort is lost to context switching. ClickUp's answer is an AI first layer called ClickUp Brain, a 24/7 assistant that surfaces answers within your workspace, helps manage projects, and even uses AI, talk-to-text, to speed up your writing. On top of that, they've built specialized AI agents tuned for different teams. Project management agents help track deliverables and dependencies. Marketing agents can draft campaign copy, and software agents assist with code-related tasks. Other agents streamline operations and employee experience work, replacing manual check-ins so you can close the gap between strategy and execution. This all-in-one approach is designed to produce measurable results. ClickUp reports a 384% return on investment and massive time savings, with organizations seeing payback in under 6 months. It's trusted by millions of users and aligns with global security standards, such as SOC 2 and GDPR, which matters if you're in regulated industries or handling sensitive projects. Practically, ClickUp shines when you need robust hierarchy and visibility across portfolios, programs, and teams. The learning curve can be steeper than simpler tools because you get so much flexibility, but if you centralize your structure early, defining spaces, folders, and lists intentionally, you'll keep everything clean and scalable. If you value deep reporting, cross-team planning, and AI that understands your project context, ClickUp is built for that. Now, let's look at Notion. Notion is the workspace where teams and AI agents capture knowledge, find answers, and automate projects to eliminate busy work. Think of it as documents and databases fused together, wrapped in a flexible layer you can adapt to almost any workflow. With Notion 3.0, the Notion agent can collaborate with your team and search across your pages, files, and even the web to surface precise information. It's widely recognized for AI writing and ideation, making it a favorite for brainstorming, knowledge management, and cross-functional documentation. Notion is trusted broadly, including by a significant portion of enterprise and startup ecosystems, because it moves seamlessly from a team wiki to project hubs, onboarding guides, and product roadmaps. A standout aspect of Notion is how it unifies your operations in one place. You can start for free, build databases for tasks or content calendars, and expand into Notion Mail and Notion Calendar to centralize communication and scheduling. For teams that want to blend tasks with rich context, think meeting notes linked to projects, specs tied to sprints, and SOPs next to to-do lists. Notion offers a powerful, cohesive model. The flexibility is a double-edged sword. If you design your structure well, it can feel magical. If you leave it loose, you can end up with a maze of pages. Templates and consistent database properties help keep everything aligned, and the agent adds a smart layer on top, so your knowledge becomes easier to navigate over time. Finally, Trello. Trello is a productivity powerhouse that keeps things simple, visual, and fast. Its core metaphor is the board, with lists and cards, a clean approach to capturing, organizing, and tackling to-dos from anywhere. Trello uses an inbox for vital details, a planner that syncs to your calendar, and boards for intuitive task management. It's enhanced by no-code automation, so you can create rule-based actions that move cards, assign teammates, or schedule reminders without any scripting. Power-ups extend functionality with integrations and views, and AI features help convert emails and chat messages into structured tasks you can actually act on. Trello comes with pre-built playbooks for different kinds of teams: marketing, engineering, remote work, and its visual layouts make it easy to build a centralized resource hub. Pricing is flexible, from a free plan suitable for individuals and small teams up to enterprise solutions. Many users praise its ease of use, and organizations typically see value quickly, often within a month. Trello works best when you want clarity without complexity, a place to track pipelines, editorial calendars, sprint boards, or personal task systems with minimal setup overhead. Keeping boards focused, naming lists consistently, and using labels thoughtfully will help you scale without clutter. Here's how to think about choosing among them. If you're looking for an enterprise-grade command center tier that unifies complex planning, resource management, and reporting with AI agents specialized by function, ClickUp delivers depth and governance. If your priority is a flexible, connected workspace where documentation and projects live together, and you want an AI agent that can navigate and reason across your knowledge base, Notion excels. If you want the fastest path to visual task management, team coordination, and automation without heavy configuration, Trello is a reliable, low-friction choice. AI is present across all three, but it shows up differently. ClickUp Brain emphasizes project context and operational agents for specific departments. Notion's agent is a knowledge-first guide that moves through your documents, databases, and the web. Trello's AI focuses on turning communication into actionable tasks and streamlining flow on boards. Security and scale also vary. ClickUp emphasizes enterprise controls and compliance. Notion is widely adopted for both knowledge and projects with growing admin features, and Trello offers trusted simplicity with enterprise options when you need them. Whichever you pick, align the tool to your real workflows. Map your information, name things clearly, and let automation handle the repeatable pieces so your team can focus on impactful work. All three offer free ways to get started, so it's easy to try them in a small, low-risk way and see how your team responds in practice. If you found any value in today's video, hit that like button. Please drop a note in the comments and subscribe to our channel.